Hey guys, it is Tina and Alfred here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tortures Alfred.
It's about time, isn't it? It's been a while.
So, I did a blackhead video on myself using the paw pack the other day, but it just didn't work as well. And I feel like, you know, like these paw strips, you know, like the good old school like BRA ones, and this one is the Tosowoong one. It's pretty much a similar like nose strip. So I've like convinced Alfred to let me microscope his nose. I mean, Tinascope his nose and try out the blackhead strip to see if it actually works better than what I used last time. Now, I'm not doing it because you shouldn't do it too close together because I did it like a week ago. I feel like my nose needs to have a rest and then maybe next week I can do another blackhead treatment. That's what I told Alfred anyway, so I just want to torture him today.
You're really loving that toy, aren't you?
I need to plug in my Tinascope.
Oh, yeah, plug it in.
I gotta plug in my Tinascope. It is like the best thing I've ever bought, and seriously, it gives me hours of entertainment, like not even joking. I could look at my skin all day. Do you feel like I'm an actual doctor or a scientist right now? Because I've got my lab coat on. Alfred bought me this lab coat, guys.
So like jelly that you get your own lab coat.
I'll get you one too if you want to be on these. Are you getting sneezy? Hold on, I just need to focus this. Work microscope.
Is it broken already?
You broke it.
Whoa!
Oh, there it is. Okay, let me...
Oh my, what is that?
What is that?
I think that's the red dot on my nose.
Oh, it is. It's that little angry paw you have.
It kind of looks like beef jerky.
And you see that little hair on top? It's like a little hair. How come you're not that hairy on your nose? I was so hairy.
I'm naturally not that hairy.
Okay, so let's move around a little bit.
What are they? Are they blackheads?
They're just like your little paws, yeah. You know what? I feel like mine look way worse than yours.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, here we go. We're getting some. Here we go.
Is it normal to be this oily?
I mean, I was really oily too, but I feel like you are extra greasy today. I would love to see my mum's nose under this. Okay, so you've got some stuff there.
This is the area where extractions usually happen. Like I don't get that many up here.
That's a good one. That's a really good one. Check this baby out. Ooh.
What is that?
Oh, wow.
That's sticking out.
That's ready to come out. That is so ready to come out. What is that? Whoa.
Ooh.
What is that? That's like really red too. Wow. Yikes. I feel like your right side is a winner. Oh, that one.
Oh, that's so bad.
That one. Oh. Okay, so I felt like I had a lot more blackheads than Alfred, but hopefully this strip gets rid of some of them. So this is the Tosowoong Blackhead Nose Pack. It's like one of those nose strips, and I think the only difference is the black, so maybe it's like a charcoal one. Not too sure because I can't read Korean. But Alfred needs to cleanse his face now and then moisten up his nose and then stick this little nose pack on, wait for it to dry, and then we peel and reveal.
Peel and reveal.
Peel and reveal.
I like that.
Okay, you go wash your face. Okay, so this is the nose strip that we're going to apply on Alfred. So you got to wet your nose first, just moisten it. So that's just a cotton pad with some water on it. Is there enough water on it?
Yeah, this is drenched.
Okay, so moisten your nose. I'm going to peel this baby off. Ho, 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 ho. You're getting pampered today.
I feel so lucky. Alright, lay it on me. I can feel it drying already.
Okay. Now you press it down.
So now we're going to leave this on for about 15 minutes. So it's been about 15-20 minutes now. It's quite hard all over, so I think it's ready to be peeled off. So let's do it. So I'm going to start off from the side.
Ooh.
I mean, there's some.
It's not that great.
It's not that impressive.
Okay, so this is Alfred's nose strip. I'm a bit like disappointed that it didn't get a lot out, but to be fair, Alfred didn't have like heaps of blackheads. But you can see on the strip that it did pull out a few, and I think because the strip is black, you can kind of really see like the little white dots. So let's have a look at it under the microscope now. Okay, so here you can see some of Alfred's blackheads. Under the microscope, the blackheads, they look more like a browny color. So these, there's about 4 of them on there. Yes. There's 2 right there. There's this like little red dot on there too. I don't know what that is. But underneath you can see there's a big one there. It's a big one. Oh, these ones look white. Oh, there's one there. And a few more down here.
Gold mine.
It took out a few, yeah, a few really good ones. Oh, there you go. That's a huge one. You guys can see that. It looks like translucent. Oh, that just looks so gross. Okay, so we did see that it did take a few blackheads out, a few really good ones actually. Oh, you still have a bit of residue here.
Alright, it's gone.
No, but we'll probably see it under the microscope.
Alright, let's check it out.
Let's just hand that over to you.
So I'm just going to go straight for the red dot on the side of my nose. Just let me try and find it. Ahoy.
Kind of looks like a crater, doesn't it?
It looks so raw. Huh?
It does look really red and raw.
Like,
Ouch.
it looks like fresh blood.
I think it's probably like a dry scab or something, like a tiny one. In person it looks like really small, but obviously magnified 1,000 times it looks like a crater.
And is that just broken skin or
It looks
dry
ve-
flaky
it looks-
skin?
Yeah, it looks like dry, flaky skin.
Moving on to the tip of the nose. Oh,
Well, you can still see there's some blackheads there. The skin's still like a bit shiny around there, a bit oily around the tip, but the side didn't look as oily.
I've got an oily nose. Where's that red line?
That's probably a broken capillary.
The baby white hair. It's
Okay.
white. Okay, let's move on to this side.
Oh my god,
It's so nice here.
it actually looks really nice. So you know what it looks like?
It looks like the back of someone's leather sofa.
Yeah, it looks like one of those like cushions. Oh my god, because it's in like a diamond shape. Why are your blackheads so, or your paws so nicely spaced out? So you've got designer paws. Look at that, it's so pillowy.
Designer pores.
Or you can see that this is an open pore, so the little blackhead or the whitehead that lived in it is out now, so it's empty.
So what happens?
I mean, now I feel like you need to put toner or something over your nose to like shrink that pore. Otherwise, it'll get filled and another little blackhead will live in there.
It's less shiny, so the oil's gone. But I can see some spots where it's getting oily again, so I get oily really quickly. It looks like there's still heaps of blackheads. I mean, I can see here, there's like heaps of blackheads, right? But where the extractions did happen, it just looks like a massive gaping hole that's ready to be filled up. So, like, what do you do with that? Is that a crevice?
Is that like a big hole? I'm not too sure what that is. That could be a big hole.
Can you see how glistening my skin is? That it's reflecting the microscope lights back. You see these little rings?
Oh my god, it is. You can see the little ring light, the little LED light. It's so, you've got a catch light in your oils.
Oh,
Oh my god, that's a hole right there.
dude,
That is a hole.
that is Deadpool's face.
Is that
Like-
a hole?
Yeah, that's a hole.
That is a hole right
Let
there.
me get a better view.
There you go. there once was a blackhead in there. So what would you rate this product?
I mean, I'm not really a blackhead strip expert, but I felt like that was a bit of a dud.
It's a bit of a dud because it didn't get a lot of it.
It just wasn't strong enough. Like it took maybe about 4 or 5 clean blackheads out, but I mean, I'm the type of person who likes...
No, it took more than 4. You can see it here.
Yeah, but they're a bit small. I thought I would have had bigger ones.
Oh, you just disappointed at your own
at the
blackhead.
size of them.
You did yank some of it out, but I guess it wasn't like this viral crazy blackhead extraction videos where you see like hundreds of them out. But to be fair, your nose isn't that bad.
Maybe.
Next time, I think when I'm back in Sydney, I'll have to try it on my mum or something because she's got more of an oily skin type and she's very prone to having a lot of blackheads and build-up. So I need to bring this baby back to Sydney when I visit her.
This is gonna go in your makeup kit, isn't it?
Yeah, this is gonna go in my makeup bag. Yep.
So overall, I mean...
What would you rate it?
I'm going to give it a 4.
A 4 out of 10, guys.
4.
There you
It just
go.
wasn't... If it was stronger, I would have gone higher marks for me.
Okay. If it was stronger, it'd probably wax all your skin off too. Thank you for letting me torture you.
It's okay.
Is that okay? Okay, so that is it for today's episode of Tina Tortures Alfred, aka Tina Tries It.
That should be the series name.
It should be. I should have a new series, Tina Tortures Alfred, because I feel like you guys love those videos, and like I swear every time Alfred is in a video, I get like 1 million views or something. Like it's just crazy. They love you. They love you out there.
No, they just like watching me get tortured.
If you guys want to check out some of the videos where I tortured Alfred, I'll link them after this so you guys can check it out. But thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you guys next time. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.